Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joel and I'll be your tour guide. Before we get started though, I just want to let you know this video was super last minute, it was super rushed. All this was edited today. So it might not be my best work, but if you do enjoy it, please leave that thumbs up. So let's not keep you any longer. Let's jump right into the video. So right now we're working on the sketch. If you can't tell by now, it's Kirby. It's Kirby, my boy. And in this video, we're gonna be turning Kirby into a peeker. So once we got him all sketched out, we are gonna go ahead and lower the opacity to about 50%. This is gonna be our layout. Once that's done, we're gonna switch pens over here, and all we're gonna be doing is just tracing the lines we want to keep, getting rid of what we don't. And for some reason, I'm the person that likes to go really slow on this process. Luckily, if you hold it down long enough, Procreate will clean up the lines for you. Seriously, check this out. This is a lifesaver. Hey, so just a few more things and we're gonna be able to move on to phase 2. Just gotta add some small details here and there, we'll be good to go. So time has come. This is absolutely my favorite part to do. We're gonna be coloring. And like always, I like to start off with the base colors. Gotta block out the colors first, and then eventually move into smaller details little by little. So right here we got all the base colors set. Now we're going to be moving on to other details. We're going to be adding some shadows first. Shadows alone is already making it look twice as good. Just adds more depth to the drawing. So we're going to go ahead and finish up the shadows, and then we're moving on to highlights. After that, some small details, some finishing touches, and we'll be all set. Actually, I lied. One more thing. We got to clean up the bottom. So let's grab our select tool, eraser, and clean it up. Alright, so now we're done. Check him out. Look at him. He's so effing cute. Alright, so drawing part's done. We're moving on. We're going to be turning this little guy into a peeker. So let's go ahead and head to the printer. While it's booting up, let's go ahead and get this set up. And now we wait. To make all of these, it roughly takes about 5 minutes. So I'll see you then. Hey, so it's close to being done. Once it's done, it's gonna spit it out. We're gonna grab our box cutter, cut it off, and take it over to the table. Look at him, adorable. So we're almost close to being done. Just a few more steps. Just gotta weed out the extra vinyl. Let's go ahead and roll out the transfer tape. We're gonna go ahead and lay our design on there. Gotta make sure it's nice and flat. We got our little squeegee. Now we're gonna go ahead and take out all the air bubbles we can. Now just cut it off, and we're on the final steps. Let's flip it over, take it to our cross cutter, and let's go ahead and chop this little guy up. And just like that, we're done. Check them out, everyone. What do you guys think? And here he is without the backing. Honestly, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, one of my favorites. And let me know who you want to see next. So that's it, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe, It'll help me out so much. Sorry this was rushed, but I got it out. I was worried. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.